Good morning, everybody. I was now staying 4 days at this nice campground here, packing my things up, my tent. Look at this campground. There's Miguel.
Hi.
Hello, morning. There's Urma. Packing up, loading. Too much stuff as usual. Look at this spot here. Beautiful. Gonna take 1 more hour to get my things ready, to get everything packed and getting back on the road again, going down south to the direction of Ushuaia. I don't actually know the city of where I'm going today. Let's see if I got the map anywhere here. There is the mappa. See? Look here. We're now in, let's see, we're now here at River Biobío. And I'm going down here to Lonquimay. Maybe I can do it today to Lonquimay and get some gas there. Then I go further down south to the lakes down here. Where is it? Yeah, to Villarrica, Pucón and Cuere. And then I go over Volcananin, over this passo here. Oh no, down here. There's a Passo Huahum. This is where I'm going. Let's see how far I make it today. See you later, guys. That was a beautiful stay at the campground. Coming out, it's an active volcano and there's snow up there. Chile, I love it. Unbelievable, really cool. Snow here. Well done, Roma. Going steep down here. Beautiful. I love it, just beautiful. Look at it. From Australia, and he said, whoa, he didn't make it over the river on sea, and he burned his clutch on the other side of the hill. Okay, let's try it. I got wet feet, but I'm through there. Ah. So now let's see this way. That dip was more difficult because yeah, he burned his clutch. See, looks good so far. Okay. Woo. So far so good. A good thing I got waterproof boots because the water is now in the boots and it stays cool. Voila. Okay, take it slow. That was a close one. It is a rough road. Oh fuck! Not on the foot. Oh, that was close. Oh, glad it's not on my foot. Oh. Okay, lift it up, baby. Sorry, Urma. But it looks not so bad. Okay, I'll take your time. See you in 5 minutes. Yeah, I brought the bike back up. Put the luggage bag on there. And now, okay, no water coming out, it's all in. Okay, well, sweaty feet. And those boots could easily get itchy. Oh man, let's see how the rest of this street is as difficult as the beginning, but I'll see. Woo. Quite beautiful. Whew, but exhausting. My mirror is a bit twisted, but my leg is fine. Thirsty. I don't know if this is the right road, but I'm glad I'm safe. And Urma is rolling. Okay, looks safe. Sorry for interrupting you. I gotta take a pause. Whew, and have a ciggy. It's a needed break. I hope this way, this road, this path gets a bit better. As I'm still quite light with the bike, but still too heavy for this kind of way. Let's see. It's like the funny thing. I'm in the middle of nowhere, but there's a big mast, telephone mast over there, about 5 kilometers away. But I got full 4G here in the middle of nothing. It's amazing. Just posted a picture on Facebook where Urma is laying on the side. But sorry, Urma. Let's see. Everything closed. Well, off we go. Take it slow. There is no race to win. No trophies. Everything to lose, nothing to win. Okay, where I go here? Oh, this was my bag. No, 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 no. Safety first. On the other side, okay. Try the middle. My heart is pounding. Okay. Further down now. Bit more gravel, that's good. Now this looks better. Well done, Urma. Good fight. Thank you. Gracias. Vale. Thank you. Thanks cow. Very nice. Not gonna eat you today. Gonna have a veggie day. Hola. Esto debía to Longimai? Ah, okay. Well guys, now I struggle a little bit. Got my big bag on the back here because I couldn't make this this path here upwards. There's too much loose stones down in the back, and if you can see, it's quite steep. Well, then I couldn't do it with the bike, so I put the bag off, laid it on the side, and brought the bike up, and now I'm getting my stuff. But hell, there you see, laying around for 2 years recovering from the accident. I don't have any muscles and no, how do you say? Whatever, I don't get the name. Whew. Gotta walk a little bit more up the mountain, and then I'm gonna take a break. Whew. Well, this road, or this way here, this path, this is really not really my friend. I flipped Urma a few times over, and yeah, but still good. But now my cooling. You see this? It snapped. My cooling system snapped. So yeah, I gotta stop here and fix that, and hope I didn't lose too much of the cooling liquid. There's some over here and on the rim. Yeah, phew. I hope I make it to the next town. It's Laca Moluemo? I'm not sure. Well, fixing it. Well, it's fixed. Put some duct tape. Perfect. Let's see. I don't know if you can see this. Fix this with duct tape, and well, I think yeah, head on. It's beautiful though here. Well, let's see how far I make it this time. Well, it's yeah, I lost a bit too much of the cooling liquid, and so I gotta make some stops every single kilometer, and roll down the hill, and then it goes uphill. I go up, stay, rest a bit. There's gotta be a long day today. Well, this was the hardest and toughest day so far on the whole tour, and me with almost no off-road experience, and sometimes the path was totally gone because there was a landslide, and making it through the river without flipping over. I didn't even think about it, what could happen. Yeah, it was my strategy, just go for it, and then you're gonna see what happens. And I'm glad I made it through there. And then afterwards I flipped Urma over for 6-7 times, and I think the whole day I only made about 35 kilometers in 6-7 hours, and it was a tough day, and but actually I quite enjoyed it, and the weather was nice, and I always thought if something happens or if I'm stuck anywhere, I just set up my tent anywhere and sleep and make it on the next day. But I made it to a small village this evening, and I was allowed to set up my tent in the garden of a young man, where I woke up with the chickens surrounding me in the morning, but I was sleeping 12 hours through. And I made it to Mai on the next day, where I found in the middle of nowhere a guy, and he was a fan of Honda XRs, and he helped me fixing Urma, bringing her back on the road, and everything went fine so far. And in the next video you'll see then the way from Mai to Puerto Fui, where I'm gonna enter Argentina for the first time. So, well, I hope you enjoyed the show, and if you liked it, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the red subscribe button on the side here, and I'll see you guys on the road.